Dwi'n ôl I fyny yn Sir Fôn rwan, di teithio fyny'n hwyr neithiwr o Gaerdydd ar ôl dyddiau anodd iawn. It's been a tough few days. I couldn't believe the announcement yesterday on Rehau in Amlwch and the 104 jobs that are threatened there now. Written to Welsh Government already. I've been in touch with the company. I'll be going there to the plant. It'll be next week now by the time the meeting can take place in Amlwch. This morning I've come to Holyhead. Had a really good meeting with Dan, the young man working at Môn CF here. Just really excited about the projects that he's involved with in helping people upskill, helping the community in so many ways, helping to give people opportunities. I tell you what, it was really positive to talk to Dan this morning, so congratulations Dan, you've got a lot of work to do here on Anglesey, and people like you are important. Diolch yn fawr iawn I ti.